Each organization's classification schema is different, but should look something like this. You can select from the least to the most sensitive. There could be secondary classifications, sometimes called qualifiers. As soon as you make your selection, the document or email will be marked and will have the classification embedded into its structure. All communications require a classification. If the information you are working on has sensitivity, you will need to select the appropriate classification. If you forget to classify, a pop-up will appear. Depending on your organization's rules, you may be able to change a classification. If your organization does allow messages or documents to have their classification downgraded or upgraded, you may see a check before you can proceed with the change. These controls help to verify your choice of the most appropriate classification. If, let's say, you intend to send a sensitive message to a person outside of your organization, a check may appear, giving you the choice to either remove the recipient, accept the warning, or rewrite the content to a lower classification. Following these simple guidelines will ensure the right information goes to the right person without damaging consequences. 2 seconds for peace of mind. To find out more, follow your organization's help links.